Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I'll be taking you down the process of how to make a perfect green velvet cake, just like what you're seeing right now. So if you're interested to see how I got to achieve this, then you definitely need to keep on watching. Alright guys, I will come to the end of this video of how to make a perfect green velvet cake. From the video you could tell that this cake is so nice. Like, I love the recipe. Like, I love the fact I had to create this recipe on how to make a green velvet cake. It's so lovely, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Okay, so if you do, kindly hit the subscribe button to get more videos of when I upload any video. Please share the video to your different social media platforms. Give it a thumbs up, drop an amazing comment, in the comment section. I want to see your reviews about this video. Okay, so like this video, share it, like share the videos. All right, so my name is Blessing Chamaka, and thank you so much for sticking around with me on my channel, and also I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.